hang out.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
I mean, right? No drones.
There's some camels up there.
Mommy, look at. And there was your snake sign because what did we said along the line? There it is. Water life changer. Like go through that grass start climbing up it.
Mm-hmm.
I got one just the same.
See, I don't mind the rain.
Around us have combined,
Oh, lovely.
but we're still like we're still in the lightest shade of green.
Yeah, honey ants.
Honey ants.
They're not really
Do those eat honey?
It's just
Do honey ants eat
it's
honey?
a cell that's growing there.
Yeah.
Dad, do honey ants eat honey?
Huh?
That's honey ants. But do honey ants eat honey, Mom? Can you read that cooling? If they eat honey? Probably do because they're called. I don't think maybe African pandas are going to work.
Oh wow, rock climbers. You see them?
No, I told Daddy, you're like, she is a cutie, and he's looking at us just like this.
There
Get the
she is.
superstar.
There she is.
A big yawn.
Yeah.
Literally a perfect
Never
perch.
see that again. It's a bug. It's a bug. It's a buffet over there.
Smells strong. The grass and all does. What?
Very lush here this time.
Yeah.
Life is Roblox, yeah, what is the
Oh, look, another deer.
Oh, I see it. It's running.
Like,
it's a baby
oh,
deer.
there's little babies.
Three deer.
Where's this bad boy at? There he is.
White rock. And over here are them orange rocks.
It's a little bit of everything, dude.
The trolleys. The trolleys. Sister, take your hand off real quick.
You know, this really is a very nice area in the
Take your
city.
hand off.
Yeah.
Sister. Hurt? My dad put him
There's a deer up here, dude. On the left-hand side.
No shooting, archery, no drones, no fireworks, no littering or dumping.